Recording the sewer line here at 3900 West Armour Street. Date's May 4th, 2020. Recording this from the clean out access down in the garage. Excuse me. We're looking at the mainline sewer right now, and I'll be pulling back from here. We're looking at the Seattle City main, about 130 feet out or so. We're pulling back from here, get a look at the entire line and a couple of problem areas that I'll note. So 130 feet out, there's the Seattle City main. And coming back, 6-inch clay pipe. Small offset out there. Concrete for a short section there. This looks like a small section of concrete.
Yeah.
For some reason. So back from clay to concrete again. Clay again. Run out of materials every day on the job. Back to concrete again. Going through a little bit of debris and stuff on the bottom of the pipe there, some rock. It's washed in due to a break that we're going to come up and see here shortly. So turning there, ducking underwater. There's a tie-in at the top of the pipe, which is the left side of the screen right now. Let's see if that's our driveway drain tie-in. Can you let me know if you see water dumping in there?
Yep. Not yet.
Yeah?
No.
No? So that must be the down. Is there a down part of the corner up there?
There, yeah. There's the brush.
Okay.
Yeah, it took a while.
So that's the downspout up around the corner of the house. That's not the driveway we're looking for. See the bottom of the pipe is pretty aggregate and worn out. That's typical of this 80, 90-year-old pipe. And will all need to be replaced at some point, but so a turn, well, no, just a bunch of rock in the line. So large stones down in the line there. There is a hole in the pipe there, so there's a pretty good size hole there. So as you're flushing, it's washing past that hole and dragging crap into the pipe. And a turn there. I don't know, some more water there. I feel like I missed that tie-in.
Yeah, that looks like the hole that's under the bush here.
Yeah, that's what I'm guessing. I'll pause the video and get a locate on where this is, and we'll be right back. Resuming the recording here, we're at the driveway drain there, so lots of rocks in the pipe there. Those would be taken out when excavating. Maybe some hydro jetting to get those out. Footage liner right there. So bad worn.
Oh.
This stuff's just
Hitting it
over and over and over for 100 years now. So downspout tie-in right there. At the corner, you have the option of one, abandoning, two, small gap in the liner so that it would allow it to flow still. So like a little 6-8 inch gap, so that tie-in's still active. Or three, dig it up and repipe it in, and then you line the whole thing.
probably about, so the hole, I remember the guy saying it was like 3.5 feet or something, so
Yeah.
probably about the same.
Yeah. We can double check that real quick. So you got all
It was
the
right there at the corner.
information, yeah.
Yeah, that's, oh, sorry, yeah, that's 6. I was thinking 3.5 over there. Okay.
Obviously, the cheaper route, still letting it function, would be to just leave a gap in the liner. Of course, you're going to have some small amount of original pipe still there and pull in when we're done.
Is that, so leaving a gap in the liner, that's totally fine, it's just,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, the way we install, it's only like us and 2 other companies in Seattle area use this alignment system that allows you to leave those gaps, because the other system is permaliner, which is an inverting the liner into the pipe, and they can't accept it. And coming up out.
Oh.
So.
Where's the other break?
I'm not seeing another break, but there's gotta be something with
Yeah,
that sinkhole there.
try it like 5 foot, I think. Oh, no, it's offset.
About 30 feet of liner, but let me zero it out again. I mean, we're right there.
Or sorry, yeah, it was 8.
So, yeah, okay.
At 8 foot.
And zero is back out again, but we're looking about 30 feet of liner from. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty. I can't tell if it's broken exactly. Yeah, crack.
Okay.
Yep, crack
so
right there. Yeah.
That's good. It doesn't look like it's
not majorly broken, but if we were to do the project, we dig out there, replace that initial section of new pipe, tie onto this. This is cast iron that we're sitting in now.
Okay.
Leave that be. That's this material. I mean, that's not. That stuff holds up. But yeah, new plastic around this turn. And plastic would probably end right there, and then line the rest of the way to here. Okay, I'm gonna do one more locate out here, but I'm gonna end the video. Pull up out of the cast iron. Cast iron looks like it's in good shape. There's the clean out we're accessing from down here in the garage, and just double check the locate out here. I mean, it's end the video here.